Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Students, we are happy to announce that finally we have launched a course for CD Maharashtra aspirants. In this course, we will give live lessons, mock tests, assignments, solutions of tests and assignments, and doubt classes in which you can ask your doubts related to assignments and tests. Along with this, you will getting recording of the live lessons if you want to refer them in future. If you want to know the topics which we are going to cover in this course, then let me give you an introduction about that. We will cover set theory, progression, permutation, combination, calculus, trigonometry, vector, probability, and coordinate geometry. In reasoning, we are going to cover blood relation, coding, decoding, clock calendar, puzzle, setting arrangement. In computer fundamentals, we are going to cover number system, complementary arithmetic, K-map, Boolean algebra. So almost everything which is important for the CD Maharashtra examination is going to be covered in this course. So if you want to enroll in this course, then please check out description. The course link is in the description. So just click on that link, check the course detail, and join us as soon as possible.